Hey everybody, so I've just returned from a really lovely day out in Herefordshire. We went to see Westonbury Mill Gardens, which are absolutely stunning and lovely and filled with fun follies, great architecture and structures, as well as beautiful modernised prairie planting. A lovely trip out, especially if you're local, or if not you could tie it into another visit, say to Hampton Court Gardens, which I did do a little video on not long ago. It's a lovely afternoon out and some fantastic planting and great plants to see. At the end of the video I'll show you what we got up to in the cafe. They've got lovely homemade goodies and treats and lunches that you can enjoy, make a real proper afternoon and day out of it. As well as that, there's a little plant nursery where they do their own propagation, and I suspect divide and split things from the garden itself, so you can take a piece of it home with you. So I'll show you what I bought later on in the video. But for now, I'm not going to say anything else. I'm just going to let the music flow and let the beauty wash over you as you watch. Enjoy, guys. My amazing purchases from today's visit to Westonbury Mill Gardens. A lovely candelabra prim, which looks stunning in the gardens, as you see in the video just now, and a gorgeous Hemeracalis Longfield Glory. The flower's just finishing, but you can see that gorgeous like peachy pink delicate colour and a very subtle scent. It's beautiful. I'm really happy with these. And these are plants that were in the garden, so they've propagated them themselves. They've got them for sale, which is just lovely, so you can take a little piece of the mill back home with you. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed my little visit and my vlog tour of Westonbury Mill Gardens in Herefordshire. Do make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to be doing more visits to gardens. I've also got a monthly garden to do jobs vlog that I do, and also I do regular little vlogs of trials and tribulations for my greenhouse, so you can see what I've been up to or problems that I've had and how I'm resolving them. And I've also just started a new series, Lottie's Garden Recycle, so do check out the rest of my channel and subscribe to make sure you can keep up to date with what I'm doing. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you next time.